Hey y'all, today we're going to go over how to download and install the client-sided scripts for LNG. So in order to run LNG, most of our cars deal with 32 Sirens. So if you click here, it will bring you right here to this. You will download this, agree and download. And it has downloaded right here. So we open this up. You get these three little files here. All we need is this one right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your fivem. You're going to right click it. And then you're going to open file location. That will bring you here. You're going to want to go to this fivem application data. And plugins. If you don't have a plugins, you want to make one. Normally you do have a plugins, and then all you got to do is throw this in there. I already have it, so it's going to ask me to replace. And there you have it. You have installed 32 Sirens. Hey guys, I hope that has helped you learn how to install 32 Sirens to make sure your game looks as sharp as it can with emergency vehicles without having any problems. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to see you on patrol.